Hello and welcome to another update on Solana. I'm here on the 1 hour time frame currently for Solana. And well, the day hasn't really been too exciting. I mean, Solana isn't going anywhere at the moment, it seems. We are still holding in this range, moving up and down in very corrective patterns. The stock market wasn't too bad today, but cryptos kind of were stuck below resistances. Solana seems to be following Bitcoin quite well at the moment, especially here with this correction. We've come down. Now we see a small bounce from that low. But overall, I mean, no major movements. Now, what we're dealing with here on the smaller time frame is a micro support area. Fibonacci support between $192 and $197.27. So this is the zone that's been holding this week, the zone of the week. So the price bounced from there, but you might notice that this bounce is only a so-called three-wave pattern. Does not yet, let's say, give us very strong upside reversal vibes, you know. So I'm still tracking only a three-wave move up, then we have a three-wave move down potentially now. And yeah, this is the zone where we should see a reaction before going higher. Yeah. Now, again, is this high confidence? Not really, but we have a move up from a support area and now a pullback. But with only three waves up, it's just not high confidence. Had this been a 5-wave move up, it would be more clearly bullish, because the problem is from this Friday high, 29th of August, I can identify something that looks a little bit like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves and 3 waves up. Not a great combination from a bullish point of view. So I can see this as a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up. And as long as this swing high stays intact, that's the swing high from Wednesday at $212.60, we might even follow through here to the downside. Yeah. So this is something worth mentioning, something worth tracking. Something that, yeah, I've been tracking now for quite a bit here, this 1-2 setup to the downside, but it's not very clear because we haven't even broken support. Okay, so we're kind of stuck between support and resistance, and without even a break below this week's low, there's no way of confirming at the moment that the white scenario is playing out. So we need to have a little bit more time here, need to give the market a little bit more time to confirm a move here. The problem is, to the upside, there is a lot of resistance. Okay, so even if we break above this initial micro resistance, there is the last swing high relevant, and here at $218 can provide resistance. We've got this trend line, which has been kind of resistance for quite a bit now, and that's coming in at around $220. And I mean, they need to be cleared before we can really talk about a breakout here. So for now, I think patience is important. I know it's frustrating. September hasn't really started in a very exciting way, but that should change soon. It's just that we're currently stuck between support and resistance. So yeah, as I said, patience is important, but it gives you a good idea of all the levels that are now relevant. In case, by the way, we break really down below the micro support area, then this zone comes into focus between $166 and $181. That could be a zone in which the price could then find support just a little bit lower and reattempt another rally. That's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, chart updates, news, and much more. So feel free to follow us here. There's lots of additional content there, sometimes even video updates, additional updates about Solana, and so on. And yeah, wish you a great day, evening, wherever you are. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.